Hi guys, welcome to Run Deals. Today I'm going to be reviewing this kit that I got. It's a vacuum seal for mason jars, and it also comes with vacuum seal bags as well. It comes with two medium-sized bags and two larger size bags. So these are great. You can store anything in there and vacuum seal it so that way it lasts longer. So that's really great. It comes with the tubing that you can use with this machine or with a, if you have one of those food sealing vacuum machines also, you can use that as well with this. And then it also comes with the two different size mason jar sealers. So it's got the, the smaller size and the larger size. It also comes with some lids, the smaller and the larger. It comes with an opener for you to open them after they're sealed. It comes with a charger for you to charge it, and this is the machine. So charging is easily, type C right there, and one button operation. You just press it and it starts, sealing. So it's really great. I'm going to show you on the bag. You can just do it like this if you want. So just like that, and as you can see, it's sucking it up and it's sealing it. So like you see, so it's nice and sealed. So that's really great. You can also, let me just open that up. So the same thing, if you want to do it with the tubing for this, with the other machines, you can do the same thing as well. Put the tubing in and then seal it with the other one. Now also with this, I'm going to show you. This is the smaller one. So you just grab a lid, put it on, and then you put this top on. And then you could take the machine and the same thing, go like that, and it's sealing. So you just use your judgment. It takes a little bit to seal it, but it's pretty quick, relatively quick. But as you can see, I can lift it and it's already a strong suction. So that's it. I'm gonna take it off, take off the piece. Sometimes the rubber comes out, but that's easy to put back in. So you just put it like that, and as you can see, strong seal. And I put water in there just to show you, but you can turn it upside down and it will not fall. So it's a really strong seal. And for you to take that out, you could just, with the opener, and you'll hear see? So really great seal. So I love it. So now with the larger one, same thing. I'm gonna get the cover, put it on. And again, you take the machine either with this piece or without. You don't have to use both. You can just, again, press the button and it's starting to seal. You heard it? So you hear like the popping. Let's see if it's done. And as you can see, strong seal again. And voila. So really great. Again, I highly recommend it. It works amazing, and you can do, like I said, if you have the vacuum seal bag, you can do the same thing. Put the top on, put this on, and connect it to the other machine, and it'll work as well. So this is great. It vacuum seals. It keeps your food nice and fresh for a long time, and it works amazing. So I hope you enjoy. Bye.